Welcome back to Moto Offroad Adventures, everybody. We have got a crazy one for you today. I am in Linville Gorge in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It is in December. It's cold. It was just sprinkling, and we're going to do an overnighter camping here. So let's get to camp. Let's find camp and get to camp and stay warm. This is going to be a blast. Stay tuned. Let's ride. This time around, this road is in somewhat tough conditions, I'd imagine, all summer long. Since I was out here, it's been getting beat up a little bit. Whew. It's gonna be fun. Man, we are climbing fast. You see the ridge lines over there. Temperature's still holding up. Everything feels about the same. What a gorgeous ride. Damn. I love that view. Holy smokes. All right.
Well, I tell you what, I am probably going to miss this place a lot. I believe this will be the final time I come up here until around springtime. A few weeks back when Barry and I came up here for a camping trip, they had their first snow, and it's definitely getting a lot colder, so we will try to find some southern routes to replace this. The gorge is definitely one of my happy places.
It is all an adventure until you see a four-door sedan coming your way. That's gotta be a rough ride on this thing, man.
Some of these sections are just so darn deep with ruts and steep that I'm having troubles finding the right gear sometimes, but at least every time I get out here, I guess I'm learning, getting a little better. I obviously have a little learning to do on cold weather motorcycle layering yet, because every time I come around a corner and that sun hits my body, it's putting a big old smile on my face. And yes, if you're wondering, this section feels very good with all the sun. We should be at camp. I think there's 10 or 15 miles left on this road, and I am going to highly enjoy that first cup of camp coffee to warm me up. I've got everything else covered. The sleeping bag, everything is good. No worries there, but I need to warm up with a little coffee soon.
This is the lake we were just above. How beautiful is that? Oh, got some hikers out. So that is one of the many trails out here. We are about at the top of the Linville Gorge, and yeah, I can feel the temperature changing. I'm up for the challenge though.
I'm sure you can tell by the video here, I'm getting a lot less sun right now. Definitely getting a little colder. The wind is chilly. That campsite has to be coming pretty soon. Well, I guess at least I'm not the only one out here freezing. He looks like he's a little cold as well. So misery loves company, guys.
I know we're zooming through here pretty fast. I'm somewhat familiar with the area. Oh, that's actually a good campsite right there. Possible one to come back to. As I was saying, somewhat familiar with the area, kind of what I'm looking for when I get past Wiseman's Point. Take a note of everything that we do pass in case we got to come back. Wow. This section of the road is in fantastic condition. Almost looks like it's been maintained a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but I could like literally just do this all day. And I guess I have when I was on the Transamerica Trail. But I could just run down this. This is North Carolina, old North Carolina 105. Run back up it, run back down it. Ooh, that is wet. Ooh. This I find quite enjoyable. However, camp will be nice. A lot more blue skies than anything else. As you can see over my shoulder there, sun's definitely getting closer to the horizon, but I would say I'm pretty safe from the rain and want to get camp set up before the sun goes down. We should have plenty of time. It's crazy because what is it, 4:30, and I'm talking about the sun going down. December's tough. Oh man. All right. Pretty choppy, rutty corners. Other than the corners, this last bit has been fantastic. Where, oh, where will my camp be? I gotta come back and see, oh my, what's my line? Oh, wow. That was in tough condition. All right, okay. Check out the view. Oh my, oh my. We are definitely dropping some altitude. Oh my, oh my. Some deep spots here. Deep, let me try that again. Those are some steep, yeah, I guess I do need that camp coffee. These are some steep spots.
Well, I know this corner quite well, thank goodness. We should be at camp in just a few minutes. I'm going to start that water boiling for that beautiful cup of coffee and have time to sit down and watch the sun set. So that's what I'm all about here.
what an amazing day that was. So much fun. The trip up is exactly what I thought. Just a fantastic ride on a crazy gravel road. Yeah, it is be a little after 11. I'm going to call it a night. Appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. I absolutely do. Going to have an adventure tomorrow. Heading back down the same crazy gravel road back down to the highway. Pretty excited about that. So do a nice afternoon, late morning loop of some off-road craziness. Come along and join. And you'll see pop up right here. But we're going to call it good night and have a good day.